Peace be upon you and welcome again to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. We wish you to always be in the best condition. Today's recipe is a stuffed pie. It turns out beautiful and wonderful. Whoever is interested in the recipe should follow with me from beginning to end so you can benefit fully. For the dough ingredients, I have 500 grams of flour. You can mix half and half semolina flour and half regular flour. Here I have 100 grams of butter and a quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baker's yeast and 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. And here I have a quarter liter of warm milk. Now for the method. I will add the 100 grams of butter. I will mix this butter with the flour and then add the yeast, salt, and sugar. Now I add the yeast, sugar, and salt. I gradually add the milk. I warmed it because the weather is cold. In summer it is not necessary to warm the milk. Add the milk gradually. Because it depends on the type of flour, do not pour it all at once. I still have a little left in the cup. This is what remains. Only about 1 spoon is left. That is enough. I knead the dough slightly so it absorbs the liquids until it absorbs all the added liquid. The dough is ready and lightly kneaded. I cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest for 15 minutes while we prepare the filling. In a pan, I add 1 tablespoon of butter, let it melt. Add a handful of chard or spinach. And saute them. Keep stirring until they soften. Spinach wilts quickly and reduces in volume. Add a little black pepper. And a little salt. The spoon may look big on camera, but it is small. Stir until the spinach dries completely. Once the water is gone, turn off the heat and set aside. The spinach is fully dry with no water left. Let it cool before filling the pie. After sautéing the spinach, I let it cool. I have 2 onions and I add 2 tablespoons of oil. Saute the onions without adding anything else. Once softened, add salt. Salt is the only addition. Always add salt at the end when sautéing onions. When the onions are transparent and lightly colored, turn off the heat. Set them aside. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. I have ground chicken mixed with a little fat. You can use any minced meat you prefer. Add 1 full teaspoon of minced meat spices. Add 1 tablespoon of parsley. Add a little salt since my spice mix has no salt. It contains only spices. The minced meat is cooked. Now we assemble the pie and roll out the rested dough. The dough has rested. Roll it out like this. Line the cake mold with the dough. Spread half of the sautéed onions. Add 3 slices of sandwich cheese or regular cheese. If unavailable, use any cheese. Add half of the prepared spinach. Keep the other half aside. Add the minced meat. Spread it evenly. Add the remaining onions. Add more cheese such as mozzarella. Use mozzarella if preferred. Add the remaining spinach. Distribute it over the cheese. Finish with grated mozzarella. Using square cheese is optional. The pie turns out delicious either way. Fold the dough over. Remove the excess dough. Use the remaining dough to make a cover for the pie. Brush the pie with beaten egg. Mix 1 egg with a small amount of milk or vinegar if preferred. Cut the remaining dough to fit the size of the pie. Like this. Flatten the dough evenly over the mold. Brush the top with the mixed egg. Bake at 180 degrees until cooked and golden. We will see the final result. Serve with potato salad and a simple sauce. Here is the quick mustard sauce. For the potatoes, mix 1 teaspoon mustard and 1 teaspoon lemon juice or vinegar. Add a little black pepper. Add a tiny pinch of salt. Add more than a quarter small glass of oil. Mix well. Add oil gradually while mixing, so the mustard is not too strong. The sauce is ready quickly. Serve it with the potatoes. The pie is ready. Place it in a dish and flip it. This is how it looks. Add potatoes on the sides. Prepare broccoli and add it as well. Decorate the sides like a salad. Drizzle the mustard sauce over them. This is the final presentation. Decorate with boiled potatoes, broccoli, and corn. Add sesame seeds if desired. And a light sprinkle of cheese. Grease the mold with butter so it does not stick. This is today's recipe. Let me cut it to show the inside. Cut 1 piece. This is the inside. I hope you liked today's recipe. Like and subscribe for more recipes. Drizzle the mustard sauce. Enjoy your meal. See you in the next video. Use leftover dough to make small stuffed packets. They turn out beautiful as well. So the dough does not go to waste. This is the end of the video and I hope you enjoyed it.